Hi, this is Ritesh, and you can subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos, and if you want to learn more guitar or Casio tutorials you want to see. And today I am going to tell you that how to play the C scale, that is the C major scale on guitar. Now the C major scale and the C major chord. So now first of all we are going to understand what is the difference between a chord and lead. So when you see people playing piano with both hands, I'm not talking about an instrument which is being played with one hand. When you see people playing keyboard, synthesizer or piano with both hands, most usually they play with the left hand they play the chords, and with the right hand they play the lead. That means the melody. So the melody is basically playing the song ting ting ting, and the harmony is pressing 3 or more notes together and creating a harmony sound, which actually is at the same scale. Now when we are talking about the key of C major, now what is the key of C major? The key of C major has C, D, E, F, G, A, B. These 7 notes, but these 7 notes are matching with the scale, that is matching with the chord, that is C major. Now the scale, what we are going to play today is C major, and C major scale, first of all, second string. Once your guitar is tuned, if your guitar is not tuned, watch my previous video which I have already posted, how to tune a guitar. After your guitar is tuned, you can just see that which is the C note here first, because we are going to start the scale C major from the note C, that is the tonic, that is also known as Do. So this C note is second string and first fret. So when you are going to press, use your first finger to press the second string on the first fret. This is C. So that is also Do, that is a Do note. When you are going to play this C, that is a Do, then obviously you are going to play the next note, that is Re. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So that is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So the first note, that is C, is first string and first fret and second string. First fret and second string is going to be C. On the same scale, the second note is going to be same string, second string, third fret. So C, D. Now E, when you have tuned this first string with E, so you already know that this open string, when we play without keeping a finger here, this note is E. Now when you know this is E, so E we are going to play it open. So C is first fret, second string, C. Second string, same string, third fret is D. E is open first string. F is first string, first fret. G is third fret, first string. A is the 5th fret and same first string. B is 7th fret, and the 8th is C, that is the higher C. So it is going to be then you can play it reverse. So we will again do it. The first note is going to be C, which is going to be, you're going to place your first finger on first fret, second string, first fret and second string, that is C. Second string, second finger third fret is going to be D. E is the first string open. F is first string, first fret. First string, third fret is G. After third fret, we are going to move, either we are going to use the second finger, third finger, or we can move this finger here to the fifth fret. It is G. A is going to be seventh fret and the same string. And the last note is C, which is going to be eighth note. So and then you can play it reverse. And if you still have problem playing in this video, what you can do is you can practice it slowly, pause the video, practice it slowly, pause the video, or see the video again. Apart from this, if you have any questions and you want to ask about the C major scale or C major chord, then you can write your question in the comment box on YouTube, and I am going to personally answer your query there on YouTube. And I will now tell you the C, after the C major scale, I will be telling you the C major chord, which actually is important because you are learning the key of C major, the scale of C major. So the first finger you are going to place on first fret, second string. The second finger you are going to place on fourth string. So 3, 4, fourth string, second finger, and the third finger, and this fourth string, second finger is going to be on the second fret. So, and the third finger is going to be here on the third fret and the fifth string. So I will repeat: first finger, second string, first fret, where you are already playing the C when you played the C, D, E, F, G, A, B. The second finger on the second fret and fourth string. The third finger on the fifth string and the third fret. When you press all these three, make sure that your finger does not block any string like this. You have to keep your tips of the fingers and do it a little like this. If you will keep it like this, then the strings will be blocked. So you want to first, when you press these strings hard, keep your thumb here for support. When you are going to play, so you don't have to play any strumming here. To begin, as you are a beginner, you have to just play and clear the sound of each and every string. For example, sometimes it is going to happen, as you are a beginner, some strings are going to block and some will be open. So you have to check which is blocked. Now this is blocked, so you have to just see how you can open it by pressing it hard. And once it is open, then what is the easiest strumming that you are going to play? Here you just have to play 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this strumming you can use a pick or you can do it with simple finger. How you are going to do? The first 3 strings and the last 3 strings. So the first strumming is going to be here, the second has to be here. So it will be, and you will keep your fingers on C major, and it will be, so 1, 2, 1, 2. This is what I was playing with my first finger like this, but with the nail of my first finger. You can also use a plectrum, which is also called a pick, and you can keep your finger on C major chord, and you can search on the internet the chart of C major if you did not understand how to keep this finger, and then you can just randomly hear the first strumming on the strings, on the first 3 top strings, and the 3 down strings here, the second strumming. So first here on the top, the second here below. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, also try the C major scale. The C major scale is going to be once again. And back. So this is how we have learnt C major scale and C major chord today, and I'm going to very soon post video about D major scale.